Yo everyone, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. Smash that like, subscribe, and bell right now for more bangers. Let's go! Today I'm showing you how to get actual shaders in Minecraft Bedrock on PC with the new Vibrant Visuals setting. 2025 update, no mods, straight fire. Here we go! Launch Minecraft Bedrock. Hit Settings on the main menu. Click Video on the left sidebar. Scroll down to Graphics mode, click the drop-down and switch it to Vibrant Visuals. Boom! Also crank render distance to at least 16 chunks for that cinematic look. Keep scrolling. Turn on fancy leaves, fancy bubbles, and render clouds. If your PC starts lagging, drop back to fancy or lower the render distance a bit. Hit apply, jump into any world. Restart the game real quick if the changes don't show instantly. That's your free shader glow up, fam. Drop a comment. Did Vibrant Visuals blow your mind? Like, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.